I am here, with all due respect, may it please the court, because I have a problem with the state executing a man with diminished capacity, who may very well be innocent. I'm particularly troubled, may it please the court, with all due respect, that you don't have a problem with it. You may not want to regard my client's innocence, but you cannot possibly disregard the fact that 117 wrongfully convicted people have been saved from execution in this country. 117. The system is hardly foolproof. And Texas, this state, is responsible for a full third of all executions in America. How can that be? The criminals are just somehow worse here? Last year, you accounted for fully half of the nation's executions, 50% from one state. You cannot disregard the possibility that something's up in Texas.
I would urge you to confine your remarks to your client and not the good state of Texas.
Zeke Borns never had a chance. He was rounded up as a teenager, thrown in a cell while he was still doped up on drugs, browbeaten and interrogated until his IQ of 80 was overcome. He confessed to a crime he had no memory of, still has no memory of, for which there is no evidence, other than 2 witnesses who saw him pumping gas around the time of the murder. He was given a coked-up lawyer who admittedly did nothing. I'm now before 9 presumably intelligent people in the justice business who have the benefit of knowing all of this. Add to that, you know DNA places somebody else at the scene, and you're indifferent. You don't care whether you believe in my client's innocence. And I'll assume, with all due respect, may it please the court, that you don't. You cannot be sure of his guilt. You simply cannot. And failing that, how can you kill him? How can you kill him? And I would sincerely hope that you don't penalize my client simply because his lawyers happen to be from Massachusetts. The home of the New England Patriots, who could kick ass over any football team you've got in the good state of Texas. May it please the court. I am so sorry.
No, you don't have to apologize. They gave you nothing. You had no choice but to go with your passion. Could have left out the slight on Texas football, but... You were strong, Alan. And maybe you reached them.